Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for Sunday, the 13th day of August, 2017. These are the last 15 things spanning the last 28 hours that was bought on Bittrex that I put in my book at the start of the month. All of them coming down relatively at the same time. They were pretty much in coordinates for where I would expect a decent leg lower to hopefully, but probably bottom and have an okay rally from. So we'll see how it works from there. We're going to talk about the altcoins at the end of this video. Let's move on to the Bitcoin chart. The high end of the day, 41.90. So the target of around that area has come into place. And now we're in a now what situation? What's going to transpire? This is a candle, a period in which it has given back every single bit of its gains for the session, and that's about 340. You can even say that's a bearish candle. But when you're in a situation when you're overextended and you need to give some back, or it's probable you should, no, I need to shorten out the time frame because I'm still looking at if there's going to be decent support. It looks like here on the 2 hour, it's making a move to the 18 average of lows. It's also in this little bit of a congestion here. You can barely see what you would see shortening out, but it's one of the first near-term levels. And for the next decent term level, we have 34 and change up to 35. And you know what, even a little bit in here as well as the previous 37 low. If there's going to be any short-term moves, it's well overextended, and giving some back is definitely not a surprise. And breaking here, you never know, you could have some decent sized gains. It's also at a key resistance point. However, let's move on to Neo. And at this stage, it can't be stopped, or at least it's having a very good bull run. There's that huge up session, a couple sideways moving days, starting to work out higher. Now, there's a lot of cryptocurrency altcoins. A lot of them are getting hit hard right now. I think it's a little scary, both midterm and long term, that there are a lot of crypto codes, but a lot of them are beaten down to the point where I feel that at some point they're all going to have at least a decent rally. Whether it makes a lower high or higher high to the June levels will be determined. Thank you for tuning in.